Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share how to run TikTok Shop ads. Let's dive right in. First, go to TikTok Ads Manager and start a new campaign. On the campaign creation page, select Product Sales as the objective with TikTok Shop as the product source, then complete the campaign settings. Set up an ad group. Choose Live Shopping Ads as the type. Select the identity, a TikTok account to represent your business in your ad. Select the shop you want to promote. Complete the ad group settings. Set age to 18+. Match the start and end dates/times to your live session. Pick optimization goals. Click Viewer Retention, Product Click in Live, Initiate Checkout. Click Next to continue to your ad settings. Click Real-Time Live to use the live stream, or select a single video as your ad creative. Your ad creative will bring viewers to your live stream when they click it. Finally, click Submit to publish your live shopping ad. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.